let's start the unboxing. I'm gonna open stuff I already haven't opened. Like, this sounded so bad. Like, what did I mean? So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna unbox stuff which I haven't unboxed yet, and all of these are from Amazon for my beauty corner. So yeah. Oh, okay. While I open it, should I pick up on another question? So failures, where did I fail? I failed to manage life, honestly, in last 3-4 years, and I tried to manage things. I failed on some personal grounds as well. I was very, oh wow guys, this is something you need. I mean, आपको मेरा ना वो makeup का idea देखना पड़ेगा, because that is so messed up. As of now, I wanted to have something, and this is an amazing deal. Yes, I was talking about my failures. So yes, there have been many failures, but I have struggled. I think with this beautiful support of people I have in my life, I have realized that I've been really expressive in terms of anger, because you know I think I always had more of masculine energy, because I really wanted to be the son of my house, and I wanted to support my family as the son. So I had these masculine energy a lot in my mind and myself. But after marriage, I have realized that you have to be feminine as well. So I'm now more closer to my feminine energy, and I feel that that's why maybe more of pink, blush and white color all around me. So yes, I have been learning all through that in last 3 years, and yeah, now more like that. So these are the pack of 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I have to just take it out. ये मेरे makeup corner के लिए हैं, and I had ordered it earlier for some video, but then I had to return it. Okay, so these are in transparent colors. These are good for brushes. Although I have already ordered, but I always have extra brushes with me, because I'm very lethargic when it is time to clean. This is same. So we have like three of these, good for kajals and all those things. There I have in 3 more like this. There I have 3 more in this. So 3 is 9. And then I have 2 of these big trays. So these are nice. I'm gonna keep it. The size is good. I'm gonna align it in my makeup drawer, and I really like this quality of it also. I'm not promoting it. ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ से टूटा हुआ है, but अब इसके लिए I'm not gonna return it. So it is nice. After putting my makeup in it, I'm gonna share like how it was. Now let's unbox another one. Where is my chaku? So yes, other than my struggles and failures, there have been like many failures, personally, spiritually, mentally and physically. Yeah, and now wins. I think I won over, because I could survive many things. So I think I'm a winner now, because I've been able to manage quite things in life. My father is dealing with he's recovering nicely, and here I am talking to you, and I'm working on things. And yes, life has been good. The winnings are, and I have grown financially, spiritually. I had started praying, and my family is good. So yeah, and professionally I can say that yeah, I was able to achieve things. Let's see, what do we have in here? I don't know what is it. ये क्या order किया है ऐसा जो ऐसा दिखता है? It is oh ये मेरी jewelry के लिए नहीं है, because I don't wear artificial jewelry. It's not that I'm flaunting that नहीं मैं तो artificial नहीं पहनती. It's just like I had this goal in my life कि once I turn 35, I'm gonna have this much. This would be my standard. And this year I'm more into satins, linen, cotton in terms of fabric, and gold and silver in terms of jewelry, and yeah, bags and all that. So this is a nice nice thing color white. This is plastic, and I've just fixed it like this. I think this is gonna look this gonna look really nice on my jewelry counter. I really wanted to put, मैंने इसको ना गलत लगा दिया. Yeah, it has to be like this. So some pearl chain and gold chain, something I'm gonna put here, and something like, you know, my rings like this, and my beauty corner, and that is gonna look aesthetic. So I have it, and I think it looks cute. So this is also for my jewelry corner. There is one, you know, the skincare corner. Will be my makeup corner. Perfume corner. This will be my makeup corner, and my makeup drawer is also there. Then this will be my jewelry corner. And yeah, we are going so good. So far so good, Priya. Yeah. So now, this is I have already opened because I wanted to check the quality. But मैंने इसे भी बाहर नहीं निकाला अभी तक. देखिए ज़रा देखिए. मुझे वैसे Amazon हंस सकते हो आप थोड़ी देर के लिए. मैं भी हंस सकती हूँ. Amazon. मुझे Amazon की पैकेजिंग बहुत पसंद आई और दिस इज एक्चुअली सो गुड. बिल्कुल अच्छे थर्मोकॉल के साथ ये पैक होके आया है. And the way I stooped to show you that is amazing. Yeah, it is actually pack of 3 vases and good or just yeah. So these are 3 ceramic. I don't want to like break them, but these are like this. Am I doing justice? No, I'm doing justice. And the way I'm holding it, like my babies, but actually they are like really nice. I mean, there are 3 vases in white color. They give contemporary vibe, and I want to like, I don't have actually shelf to keep all of these, but my closet is right next to it, and want to keep it open so that I can see that how beautiful my closet is. I mean, I really don't know if I'm making any sense here, but yeah, but this is really nice white color and so good. And it has this, you know, this thread around it, and there are 3 of them of 3 different sizes, and I'm gonna just keep it like this only. I have a vision in my mind. मुझे लगता है I should not speak while I am doing this hush hush thing. So this is the bigger one, and I'm gonna keep it like this as of now. I'm just gonna show you when it is there in my closet. So yeah, other than that, what do we have? We have one more box. Sorry for the noise. Okay, I have also ordered this. This is some painting, and it is a nice, and this is a decent size. I was expecting it a bit smaller to come, but this is a decent size. I would not say that but actually you can pick it up for your. This is actually like this. It has many other colors or prints, but I wanted something to go with the French vibe I have for my beauty corner. White and pink, peach color, then wooden. So yes, this is something, and I will put there, and I'm gonna show you that how it looks. It is definitely gonna look good. So yeah, this is another thing. And the last one I'm gonna order, but I don't know why is it last, because I also had ordered some artificial flowers, but I haven't received, and I don't think so they will be inside this. This is quite a big package, but let's hope for it. Shall I pick up another question at the same time? So my goals, yes, goals. I am somebody who already had goals in life. I mean, I always wanted to do better in my life. That's why I like content creation that much, because every time you are reinventing yourself, and whenever I'm talking about makeup, beauty, home decor, fashion and everything, every other time I want to upgrade my lifestyle. So that always had been my goal, although it had been really difficult. Because people who live with me, and people who have to live with me, they find it very difficult, because I'm always under this pressure, or I don't know, I always want to upgrade my lifestyle with something new, something new. Let's just clean more house, let's make clean our house more and all that. I have a spiritual goals. I have actually have goals in these four more important sectors in my life. First one, as I already stated, that relationship, I should address it, that it is really difficult to live with me. I really want to be organized and upgrading all the time. So to match with that energy and to match with the lifestyle I have, it is difficult. Although my parents and other family members who have already understood that, they have left me in my room. I'm sorry, I just burped. I had not eaten that much till I burped. Let it be. It's a good thing to burp, right? I don't know, not in French beauty. Yeah, let it be. We're gonna ignore it. Like, it actually happened. So I was saying that I want to improve in four sectors of my life. First thing, relationship wise, I have taken control of my masculine energy. I think I am inclining more towards my feminine energy, so that I learn to not take lead always, but I don't want to be submissive at the same time. Like, yeah, this is my energy, but I really want to take lead, but in a nice feminine manner. And also, relationship wise, my relationship has improved with everybody. At least I like to claim that. But I would definitely film a video with everyone else. But yeah, I've been really dominating, and not dominating, I'm really organized, and I have a goal in my life that I want to be better every year. I have annual goals. Like, this year I'm not gonna invest more money than this. This year I'm gonna have this standard of life. Next year I'm gonna have this standard of life. Like, I had been investing in some premium and affordable luxury brands this year, because that was my goal. When I'll reach 35, I'll invest in that, because by then I would have finished buying some assets in my life. I would have invested money in some, important stuff, like mutual funds, like share market and everywhere else. I would not be buying depreciating assets. So that I did. So I have, and there are some luxury things also which I have planned definitely, but not in next 3 to 4 years. And if I do so, then just correct me there. So that had been one personal goal, to actually be better and try to not expect people to match up your energy. Honestly, yeah. Yeah, personally, that financially, obviously I always have goal. Financially, I don't see my work, both this my hobby of content creation, I don't call it a hobby also. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, this is my life. Like, let's address it. Everybody's on social media these days. Either you are a consumer of it, you're viewing these videos and consuming, and don't know how many hours you have spent watching reels on Instagram or YouTube shorts or videos, or you are on other side where you create content. So everybody's on social media. So this is my life. Yeah, I would say that everybody is on social media, and I choose to create content and live my creativity and share my life, not to watch all the time. That's not a bad thing, but I think, yeah, I hope I made some sense. So financially, I really have goals where I teach myself, I engage myself with people in conversations where I can learn what are the different methods where I can invest and build more assets and improve and all that. Third is my spiritual goal. I actually had not been praying all my life. People who know me, they know me that I was not a person who used to visit temples, but I used to find it really fascinating going to other, religious places. But once I stepped out of my home, I realized that I kept missing the voices of all the bells, घंटी and घंटी की आवाज़ और सुबह पूजा की जो खुशबू होती है मेरे घर में, वो मैं मिस करती थी when I started living at my own. So this has amazing energy to set your day with. You can't stop them. Okay, I will keep. I'll just pretend that they are not there, and you also pretend that, and you just listen to me right now. So I was saying that, So I was saying, let me just open this all at the same time. So yeah, so I started praying also, and I started listening to Hanuman Chalisa and uh, Surya, puja in the morning. Surya ko jal chढ़ाना, and I do that because I feel really, really relaxed and calm, and I feel him. And people would say this is more religious, not spiritual, but I feel like sometimes I don't actually not able to pray. That time I actually listen to bhajans and mantras, and I sit quiet and I try to connect more with the nature. So yeah, my spiritual goal is that. Thirdly, a fitness goal, physical goal. I really, really want to keep my energy as young as I can, so that I can have a better life. And whenever I'll look back in my life and I'll say that, you had been living an interesting life, Priya. You were quite a mess. No, not mess. Like quite a pain in people's life. But no, I really want to have a meaningful life. So yeah, that is physical fitness also. I have tried. I'm actually following nice diet right now. You can see, like, don't you think I'm glowing? And you'll see good results in coming months as well. We have covered physical, financial, personal. Yeah, these are the 4 goals I'm working on right now, and I actually have taken a help of a life coach. So let me address it here. I really love the idea of having a life coach because she had been my friend since a very long time, and she contacted me. She told me that she's pursuing her life now as a life coach. So first thing came to my mind was that what is life coach? Because I really don't want to go to therapy. I'm not down belittling people who goes to therapy, but I am somebody, I really don't like to talk about my personal losses. I don't want to have a deep conversation on this. कि ये हुआ आज ये हुआ उसने ये बोला उसने वो बोला. I don't like to do that because then you actually relive that moment. और वो जितना आप बात करते हो उसके बारे में, आप और वो अपने आप को उस सिचुएशन में पुट करते हो. नो मैटर कितना भी एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करो सामने वाले को, ही विल नॉट गेट द एग्जैक्ट फीलिंग, बट यू विल हैव दैट फीलिंग अगेन. एंड इट्स लाइक you are again and again pushing your mental pain to, and you're pushing yourself to feel it more. I don't want to do that. But when I talked to this life coach, she told me that you just tell me what bothers you. I say that I think I am low in energy and I'm not able to focus that much, and I just feel sad. She said this thing to me that you need not to tell me what happened, but you need to, or what is happening in your life, but this much that you are depressed or you're anxious or you're sad, this much information is enough for me, and we're going to work on that. And for that she said that we're going to talk about that only, that how we'll talk. And I really like the idea that we're actually not discussing the problem, but we're discussing the solution, and that is the energy we got. And so that is happening, and I really feel good. And we're not talking that much, even when I think I talk a lot other than her, but I haven't actually started, but I had 2 sessions with her. अब इसको ओपन कर ही देती हूँ. Let's see, इतना बड़ा क्या आ गया. Okay, there are more packages inside it. I don't know what is it. I'm gonna open it. I was actually waiting for this. I wanted to have artificial flowers, and because it will be very difficult for me to maintain. And I don't know if I'll be getting these flowers or not, but I really wanted to have these flowers, and they look so aesthetic, and they are of very good quality at the same time. This is, I don't know what brand it is, but it is really, really nice. I'm gonna link all the brands. Actually, I'm gonna put one link here in which you will get all the links. So I had ordered it for this. No, for all the vases which I showed you earlier. Let me just show you how does it look. So yes, life is all about realigning and fixing all your traumas and struggles. And I always been a very strong, independent woman. I don't like the idea of people thinking that I make excuses or I'm not working on my life. But this actually doesn't look that good in this, right? I think in the bigger one it will fit nicely. Let me just try in another size. And we don't need any background music. Who is going to stop these dogs? Does it look nice here too? I think it looks decent, right? I don't know. I'm not able to figure out how does it look in camera, but visually it is not looking that appealing to me in person. And I'm gonna switch to the other vase. Wow, how beautifully I opened all 3 vases, and this was not planned. I really did not wish to open all of them. But yeah, let's see how does it look. Yeah, this is a decent size. Now it is making sense to me. This is how I'm gonna keep it, and it looks beautiful, and I'm gonna keep it here for now, and it is looking aesthetic at the same time. Woohoo! I opened everything. Do we have anything else? Let me just check. One more. I don't know what is it. Oh, I have one more. Yeah. भाई साहब कितना सारा सामान मैंने ऑर्डर कर लिया है. What is it? Let's just see. I even don't know मैंने और क्या क्या ऑर्डर करा है, but while ordering I had a vision that I want to have my corner. Oh, these are the makeup brushes. These are the makeup brushes, and I actually ordered them because they are. I ordered them because they were in pink color, but they are like, I don't know, they're not actually pink. They're in gray and they're gray brown and. Okay, I don't know like if I'm happy about it or not, but do we like it? Is it going with the theme of my room? This is little pinkish, like purplish. I don't know, I'm gonna try it if it goes good. I'm just gonna keep it aside. There are a lot. So I'm gonna just try if they're nice. जहाँ तक इसकी ब्रश क्वालिटी की बात है वो भी मुझे मेकअप करके ही पता लगेगा कि if they're nice or not. But I think they're looking decent. What do you say, guys? What do you people have to say about it? I don't think so. They are not matching with the theme of my room. The color is more grayish and it is more pinkish. But I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna see like actually if it looks good or not. Now comes the last one, but not the least one, and these are pearls. I love pearls. I feel that I have to brutally open it because I don't have that much energy. Like one of time I really have to finish one more video, and I did not realize that I've actually shot this video for 51 minutes and I have to literally cut this video in 2 parts so that I can post it. So these are the pearls which I have, and they are of different sizes and I really like it. I'm gonna put them, they're of different sizes. Let me just show you. And what I'm gonna do with this, I really like the packaging. Firstly, I actually did not expect it to be like this. These are quite organized, like the way I want to keep my corners and my mind organized. Yeah, I mean I will definitely make a video on this, that how one can be multitasking, because you have to have organization and management mentally also. Like I said, that when I'm working Monday to Friday, I do not try to shoot. Like, although nowadays we do get timelines from brands that you have to deliver this video within a weekend, so it makes my life easier because I shoot those videos during Saturdays and Sundays, and now I have a proper setup also, lights also, cameras also, so it doesn't make my life more, you know, difficult to shoot all those videos. So this is the way I somewhere feel that I manage my life, that, you know, Monday to Friday I'm working and I focus myself in work. During weekends I like to shoot or travel, but the only point where I lack is I don't spend that much time with my family. They say that you always working, and I feel like I'm gonna do it for I think I love it. I don't know, like, and that's why I think I like my husband also, because he also works 7 days. Somewhere I complain to him that don't work that much, because I really feel that he's quite hardworking, and I really want to create that life where he can have lesser work and he can calm down his life. So yeah, working for that, so that we can have certain lifestyle where he can calm down and he can also enjoy his life, at least have 1 week day off like I can. So yeah. Okay, so where am I now? I have opened everything. I'm gonna finish everything. So yes, I've finished everything. Realigning my life. I had shared a story on this, and somebody is asking me, what does realigning my life mean? What are you actually doing? So I already stated that I'm focusing on 4 factors of my life: spiritual growth, mental growth, physical growth, and financial growth. I am in that age right now where I think I have to work to match up all those things to balance my life, because without any goal, I don't think so one can reach anywhere. That's why I don't want to create a content which is not going to anywhere. Although my Instagram doesn't speak like that. I feel that I am just there for the sake of being there. No, I don't know, like, what do you think about it? You just let me know in the comment box. But I'm more than that. I have a lot many things going in my life, and I'm trying to realign my life, and beauty had been a really important part of it. So I have ordered these stuff. Yes, let's come back to the video from Amazon, and these are the stuff which I'm gonna post, put together on my that section is just behind the camera. That I'm looking there, that this will be my beauty corner, makeup corner, perfume corner, and I'm gonna set up it, and I'm gonna take you through that how it looks like. I hope you enjoy the video, and I don't know if I have to record it twice, but I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope we could connect more. People who had been connected with me, they might have finished it till the end, and I really love you for being there in my life. And people who are new to this channel, guys, I'm just sharing my life here because I feel that this is the best way to be socialized, because I'm very, very awkwardly socialized in person. I might not be talking to you, and that is not for the reason that I'm rude or something, but because I'm really, really honest. If you'll ask me this question, how are you today, I might give you an honest answer that today's my day is not going good. Like, it can be a journal question. Like, sometimes I realize if somebody is asking you, how are you feeling, how are you today, I should just generally answer that I'm doing fine, and I'll just end the conversation there. But I will not do it. I will not even think that who the other person is, and I'll start saying that, oh, my day is not going to, oh, my day is going so good today. Like, yeah. So I think social media is a platform where I can speak I can have deep conversations and meaningful and honest conversations, because when you do end up having conversations in real life, then people don't have time to listen all the time. And I don't know, I'm socially awkward. I do not connect to people so much easily. Okay, we're gonna have another video on this. Today we're gonna end this video here, because I have to shoot another video where I'm gonna talk about all the beauty products also, and I'm gonna edit this video and put into bits. I have realized that thing. So thank you for watching this video. Do follow me, do subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube, right? Do subscribe to my channel. I'll try to put as much as knowledge or experiences I have, and I just want to socialize and meet new people, and just share my life with you guys. So I'll meet you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, and what, have a nice and happy life.